Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. And do you want to make your M2 sound more aggressive? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project today. And this one's a little bit different and really cool. So we've got this gorgeous F87 M2 Competition in here today, and we have two exhaust setups. We're going to be installing the MAD resonated and non-resonated mid-pipe. I have both of them into one car. So that way we can actually get a comparison between the two. Because the big thing about making exhaust changes that everybody always asks is, what's it sound like? So when you go out to MAD and you check and you say, well, there's a resonated one and a non-resonated one. What's the difference? Well, it's the setup in the mid-pipe itself. The non-resonated is a straight pipe all the way through, where the resonated, it has a resonator in the middle of the mid-pipe. But the best part of this is not only will I show you the DIY to how to install this, because it's exactly the same for both, but then also we'll get a great sound comparison on the same car on the same day with both. And that way you can help understand which one of these two you're going to want to have. All right, so we're going to jump in and get started. Now, I always say this before, anytime we lift the car in the air, I'm going to be using quick jacks today. You can always use a great Road Tech power jack like I've got. But when you put your car in the air, please be careful, right? Don't bet your life on a 5-cent part that could break and put your car on the ground, which even worse is if you're underneath it, right? So if you're using jacks, make sure to use jack stands, use quick jacks, use a power jack from Road Tech, whatever it takes to get it up in the air. But let's get started with that, all right?